guys? Welcome to my channel. Oh, my helmet. There we go. So, welcome to my channel. Thank you everyone for the love on my last video. Everyone seems to like the Onewheel Pint review. So, here we go. One more Onewheel Pint coming at ya. Oh man, just love this thing for hitting these, like, dodging potholes and stuff. People call this board squirrely. I see it as just more control. I think you just got to get used to the carving, which is one of the things you really do need to learn how to do. Stop sign here. The guy with the pipe. Sucker. If you do find the pint a bit squirrely, you got to learn how to carve, man. You just take it slow, going back and forth, heel edge, toe edge, all the way down the street until it gets comfy, and it will get comfy and it gets better, and then you just have more freedom the more comfortable you are. One thing I've also noticed about other Onewheel Pint owners and videos that correspond with that is everyone's got those 360 selfie sticks, which makes a lot of sense because I'm rocking this giant gimbal with my GH5 mirrorless camera, and it's just it's not as comfortable to make this ride better. At least the 360 sticks you can kind of ignore a little bit, but I don't know, you don't get this kind of image quality, this kind of, look at this background going by me. You can tell this is real, man. Cinematic, 110% cinematic. Oh, Jesus. So I just wanted to go through some things that I really love about the pint that I didn't get into on the original review that I did. So the first thing that comes to mind when you think about kind of any product is ease of use. And like, I'm holding a gimbal right now. I got a free hand. I could be drinking a coffee. And that's the thing about this thing, is there's no controls, right? You got like electric longboards, electric skateboards. You always have a control, which also a brake, which is like a fucking brake. What is that gonna do? Send you flying forwards? And I guess you have to like practice doing that, but like, I don't have to think about that. I just lean forward or I lean back, and it's so intuitive that you don't, like, once you learn it, it just feels like it's reading your mind, and you'll hear that in lots of other reviewers as well. It's nothing new. But it is just like, till you experience it, you don't know. And once you know, you're just like, oh yeah, this is the way everything should be. It should just read your mind. And one day when Elon figures out that brain thing where you just clip into your brain, we'll have that. But for now, we got fucking Onewheels. Second thing that is amazing about the Onewheel, and it's something that if you're kind of surfing the internet and on the forums, you'll notice that you know, there's not all of the products come off the assembly line perfect, and there is some faults, and there is some people questioning the Future Motion as a company. But if you look at the community around Onewheels, it's a very strong community. The modding community, the riding community, the trail riding community, they're all there supporting each other, and it's one of the things that reduces my worry, I guess, let's say. So you see all of these kind of boards that are having issues or whatnot, and that first thing you think of is like, well, Jesus, boosted board went down. Is Onewheel gonna go down too? And you know what, even if it did, with the strength of the community and the modding community specifically, I mean, they will keep our boards operating, there's no doubt. Already you can like upgrade your batteries, upgrade your fenders, upgrade everything you want. Add extra batteries to your backpack, wherever. And so that's one of the things that just, it's just like, it shows that it's a good product because of the amazing community involved with it, and so many people that love their boards. Or I gotta show you where I am right now. Oh my God, talking about getting away. So that just kind of speaks to the community and the quality of the ride and the product. And then the third thing I wanted to talk about is just like Future Motion themselves. Like I said, they're getting some guff on the internets and the forums right now. But what I believe that is because of is just because, I mean, the product is gaining speed. There's more people buying it, so they're selling more boards. So there's more boards to inspect. There's naturally going to be more defects with more boards to inspect, right? So we're dealing with a small company in an epidemic. It's just the natural way things go. I don't think that means they don't care. In fact, I think it's the opposite. I think they do care greatly. They wouldn't hold a Onewheel cup. Obviously, we're all stoked on their products, and we all want it to get better, and we are. And we are helping that get better. So I just thought I'd share those thoughts with you. And I'd also just like to say, hey, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, electric bike. I really appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy your life. Hey, buddy! It's the man himself! I'm gonna get him. What are you doing up here? I want to go now. Okay. Note to self. Get a 360 selfie stick. This thing is friggin' heavy. I'll share with you a dream of mine that's gonna happen one day soon. Onewheel down here with my stand-up paddleboard on my back. Hit the stand-up paddleboard. The only thing I don't know how to do yet is how to drone myself on that paddleboard, because I'm not good enough to not fall in the water. I might need some help in the future. It's coming.